Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This is the Simtech Heat Demons for a Honda Goldwing. Okay, fits pretty well up from 1,000 up to 1,500, 1,800s. Not the DCT, I imagine, or anything with any kind of electronic throttle at all. Okay, but basically you're going to put this on your clutch perch or your throttle side, you know, your master cylinder. Press this button and you get all these LEDs light up, different colours to tell you how hot it is, as you can see on this picture here. Okay, these are going to go under your grips. Okay, you're going to stick them on, and you're going to put your grip glue on top. This is special grip for using with these. Okay, example of what it looks like here. Okay, and as you can see, cracking bit of kit, very well made by Simtech. If you're interested in any great Goldwing parts, we have masses on clearance. We got over £70,000 worth of Kuriakin stuff on clearance. CustomCruisers.eu has got most of it, or AdventureMotorcycle.parts, believe it or not. But these particular items aren't on CustomCruisers.com, I'm afraid, because it hasn't got the capability of the modern sites for an API or whatever you call it, so we can put stuff on. But if you do want to look on eBay, you will see a lot of this on eBay. If you do see it on eBay, give us a call. We can do it cheaper, don't you worry. The fees aren't as good as you think. Thank you.